I hate ebooks. I didn't want to admit this, but this was actually me like a year ago. I hated the idea of ebooks. Like, it felt weird, impersonal, and to be very honest, not my vibe. But fast forward to today, I just cannot imagine my life without this little device right here, which is filled with 10 to 20 ebooks. So, how did this 180-degree shift exactly happen? Well, today I'm going to share my story with you. Plus, I'm going to answer all your questions about a Kindle today. So, if you're thinking of buying a Kindle, watch this video till the very end because this is going to help you a lot. Hello everyone, my name is Smriti and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, guessing by the title, I think you all already know that today we are going to talk about Kindle. Let me tell you a bit about myself. Last year I was gifted a Kindle on my birthday, and after that my life fully changed. Like, I used to be a certified ebook hater, but now I'm that person who will always prefer an ebook over a paperback. If you're following me on Instagram, then I think you all know that I asked you guys to just drop down all your questions about a Kindle. And if you're not following me on Instagram, trust me, you are actually missing out on a lot because I am actually a lot more active there. So please make sure to, follow me. I asked you guys to just drop down your questions and you actually did ask a lot of questions. So today I'll be answering all those questions for you. So let me just start with the very basic. What is a Kindle? See, Kindle is a device. Think of it as a love child of a book and a tablet, minus the constant Instagram notifications and the eye strain. Kindles are the devices made specially for reading purpose only. No reels, no memes, no distraction, just you and your book. How cool, right? Oh, I know you all would be like, oh my god, I can also do it on my iPad or on my phone. Well, let's be honest, yaar, like, itne bhi achhe nahi hai hum. Like, we are not itna zyada sincere towards reading, theek hai? Now, the second question is where to buy a Kindle in India. See, the best place to buy a Kindle in India is Amazon, hands down. It's reliable, you can get the latest models there with warranties and sometimes even very great deals during the Amazon festive season and all. But here is a quick update. I actually noticed that it's actually out of stock on Amazon. So, what to do now? Here is plan B. First thing that you can do is check for restocks regularly and religiously on Amazon. They actually sometimes restock Kindles for a day or two. The second thing that you can do is check your nearest Reliance Digital or Chroma stores. Surprisingly, they do have one or two pieces of Kindles available. The third and the last thing that you can do is you can check international Amazon sites if you are open to paying for shipping. Next question that we have is which Kindle should a first time buyer get? See, this is the Kindle that I have. It's the Kindle Paperwhite. It is a bit pricey than the 11th gen Kindle, but I think it's totally worth it. Why, you ask? Well, cause it's waterproof, it has a better display and a very amazing battery life. I use it religiously and charge it like only once or twice a week and it works perfectly. So if you're a first time buyer, I would totally recommend you to buy this one only. The next question that we have is how do you buy books on Kindle? Buying books on Kindle is like a piece of cake.
Just browse for a book, click buy, and voila, the book gets downloaded to your Kindle instantly.
No waiting for deliveries, no extra hassle. The next question that we have is does Kindle hurt your eyes like phone screen? Short answer, no. Kindles use something called e-ink technology that actually looks like an actual paper but doesn't emit blue light. How cool, right? I didn't even know about this. I actually had to research this after this question. So now I know that they use something called e-ink technology. That means no eye strain during, my late night reading marathons. जब से मैंने Kindle लिया है मेरी स्लीप साइकिल की तो क्या हालत हो चुकी है. I cannot curse here, otherwise I would have, but बहुत ही बुरी हालत हो चुकी है मेरी स्लीप साइकिल की. जब से मैंने Kindle लिया है मैं रात के 12 बजे एक बुक स्टार्ट करती हूँ, 3 बजे उसे ख़त्म करती हूँ, फिर उसका रिव्यू लिखती हूँ और फिर मैं 4 बजे सोने जाती हूँ. तो ये मेरी स्लीप साइकिल की हालत बहुत ही ख़राब हो चुकी है जब से ये चीज़ मेरी ज़िंदगी में आई है, एक Kindle. सो अगर आपको अपनी स्लीप साइकिल से बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार है तो प्लीज़ Kindle मत ही लेना. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डू यू हैव टू बाय बुक्स ऑन Kindle? No, not at all. I actually don't buy a lot of books on Kindle. Like, आज तक मैंने जितनी books Kindle में पढ़ी होंगी उससे 80% मैंने Kindle Unlimited से ली है. You can actually save a lot of money with Kindle Unlimited. So what is Kindle Unlimited? For 199 rupees a month, you get access to thousands of books. There are so many good books available on Kindle for free. I think I should make a video on this, like free Kindle Unlimited books that are actually good. So the next question that we have is, can you transfer downloaded books to Kindle? Absolutely yes. You can use the send to Kindle feature either through email or via Kindle desktop site. Just make sure your file is in a compatible format like Mobi or EPUB. Is Kindle better than Wattpad? What kind of question is this? Yeah, it actually depends, I think. If you want a book that actually is a book, then I think you should prefer Kindle. And if you want a fan fiction, or if you're looking for an immature story, then I think you should go for Wattpad. Like, I'm not saying that Kindle is better than Wattpad. I think it totally depends upon your mood. And I would say, why not both? Like, you can get both, right? Wattpad is free and fun, so you can just download the application on your mobile. But Kindle is actually more fun if you're looking for full-length books and some really good books. So I would suggest that you should actually get both. But ऐसे questions कौन पूछता है यार? Does Kindle feel like reading a real book? Okay, let's be real. Like, nothing can actually beat the smell of a paperback. I mean, but Kindle actually grows on you. Like, it's the convenience that makes it unbeatable. Let me explain this to you with an example. Let's suppose I'm going on a trip. I'm a moody reader. I want to read a thriller, but I also want to read a romance book. Then I would be like, oh my god, I also want to read a classic, or let's just say I also want to read a non-fiction. वैसे तो ये कभी होगा ही नहीं, non-fiction मुझे पढ़नी ही नहीं है. But फिर भी, by chance, let's suppose we are actually assuming everything. So let's suppose, but I cannot carry like 4 or 5 books with me on a vacation, right? It would be a lot. But I can actually carry more than 100 or 200 books on my Kindle. How cool, right? Let's suppose I'm going for a walk. Okay, I'm going for a walk and I want to carry a book with me. Why, you ask? Well, because I want to carry a book with me all the time. I need to have a book with me because I don't know what is going to happen. Maybe I'll have to wait for someone. तो तब मैं क्या करूँगी? तब मैं अपना Kindle खोलूँगी और मैं अपनी book पढ़ूँगी. अब मैं अपनी book लेके क्यों नहीं जा सकती हूँ? क्योंकि book heavy है, ठीक है? heavy है, बहुत ज़्यादा heavy है. अब मैं इसको हर जगह लेके जाऊँगी, ये थोड़ी सी यहाँ से मुड़ जाएगी, मेरे पेजेस खराब हो जाएंगे. I cannot afford that, right? मतलब मैं क्यों खराब करूँ अपनी book? But Kindle को मैं ऐसे मोड़ भी सकती हूँ, ऐसे रख सकती हूँ. मतलब ये मुड़ेगा भी नहीं. So that is why I'll always prefer a Kindle. If I'm going somewhere or if I'm traveling to another city, I'll always prefer a Kindle. क्योंकि ये ना तो मुड़ेगा, ना ये खराब होगा. The next question that we have is where to buy a Kindle cover. Again, I would say Amazon. I got this cover last year only और ये अभी तक एकदम सही सलामत है, कहीं से भी खराब नहीं हुआ है. As you can see, it's beautiful, stylish, durable, and actually protects my Kindle very well. So I would say that you can get a lot of options on Amazon, and if you want a link to this specific cover, then I'll leave it in the description box below for you all. The last question, and the question that actually started it all, is Kindle really worth it? If you are a reader or if you actually want to be a reader, then I would totally suggest you to buy a Kindle. If you're thinking of buying a Kindle, then don't think twice, just go and buy it right now. And if you don't have the money to buy a Kindle, so this is what you can do. You can send this video to your friends or your family and ask them to buy a Kindle for you. Why? Because you actually deserve a Kindle. Once I hit 100 subscribers, I'm definitely going to do a Kindle giveaway. Trust me, I will do it for you guys. सच बताऊँ, जब से मैंने Kindle लिया है ना, मैं अपने पेपर बैग बुक्स को भूल ही चुकी हूँ. लाइक हाँ, मैं अभी भी खरीदती हूँ पेपर बैग्स ऑब्वियसली. लाइक आई लव टू बाय न्यू बुक्स, बट मुझे वो बुक इसमें भी चाहिए अपने Kindle में और वो बुक मुझे वहाँ भी चाहिए अपने शेल्फ में. तो अब आप सोच सकते हो एक ऐसा इंसान जिसको ई बुक से नफरत थी, जिसने अपनी ज़िंदगी में एक भी ई बुक नहीं पढ़ी थी, वो आज ई बुक्स के बिना अपनी ज़िंदगी सोच भी नहीं सकता है. तो इस डिवाइस ने ऐसा क्या जादू किया होगा उस इंसान पे. बस यही बोलना चाहूँगी और इसी लाइन से मैं अपनी आज की वीडियो को ख़त्म करती हूँ. इफ़ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो देन मेक श्योर टू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो विद योर फ्रेंड्स. एंड ऑल्सो इफ़ यू हैव एनी मोर क्वेश्चंस लेफ्ट देन मेक श्योर टू ड्रॉप डाउन इन द कॉमेंट सेक्शन बिलो. आई विल ट्राई टू आंसर ऑल ऑफ देम. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And हाँ, फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है आप ई बुक पढ़ो, आप ऑडियो बुक सुनो या फिर आप पेपर बैक बुक पढ़ो. बस फ़र्क ये पड़ता है आप पढ़ो. So as long as you are reading, it doesn't matter. आप किसी से भी पढ़ो, बस आप पढ़ो. Bye. I'll see you guys in the next video.